Just like Capture One and Lightroom, you can easily tag your photographs in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and let me show you how to do that. Now, suppose you have done all your edits and you are ready to export, or you just imported your photographs. Now, you want to tag the photo that you want to delete, the photo that you may want to edit later, and the photos that you want to edit immediately and they are good to edit and they are good quality. Whatever the reason behind it, you can select your photographs, one or two. I'm gonna collect a few. Let's say these 3 photographs I want to edit immediately. I can come down here on the bottom right corner and then click red, and they already been tagged. Suppose there are photographs that I want to delete or I don't like it, whatever the reason why, they are no good. I can select, let's say, last 3, and then I can click red color and they are good to go. Therefore, every single tag has different meaning behind it. You have yours, I have mine, but definitely you have the option to tag them. Suppose there are photographs that you want to get rid of. For instance, let's say they are really no good. You can easily select them and you can click cross and look at them. There you go. That's how easy to tag a photo or a bunch of photos in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro, exactly the same as Lightroom Capture One. You can also get rid of your tags. If you want to, let's say, change your mind and then want to change to a different color, you can select the photos that you want to untag. You can click here, return, and then change your color to a different one. That's how it is. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.